Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install Apache Netbeans 21, that is the latest version on Windows operating systems. We are going to perform this action on Windows 11 operating system, but the process is same for all Windows operating systems. The prerequisite to install Apache Netbeans is Java JDK. Okay, first verify whether JDK is installed or not. Java version. See, I have installed Java JDK. On your machine, if you haven't installed Java JDK, then go to the link provided in this video description and install it. Now go to Apache Netbeans official website, that is netbeans.org. See here, the latest release is Apache Netbeans 21. So click on download. See here, we have the different installers and packages. For Windows, we have to download this Apache Netbeans 21 bin Windows x64.exe, and remaining are for Linux and other operating system. Click on this .exe file to download. See, following are the links. Okay, so click on the first one to install the Apache Netbeans. Click on it. See, download has been started. Go to downloads. See, the size is 476 megabytes. Wait until this download completes. I am pausing this video until this download completes. We will resume once this download is completed. See, download has been completed successfully. Click on exe file or go to show in folders, then click on the same exe file. So click on this Netbeans exe file, that is executable file. Click on it. See, the installer will install the Netbeans IDE with following packs and runtimes. Okay, so if you want to uncheck any one of them, you have to click on customize and you have to uncheck. I am going with all, and the installation request, the installation size is it's about 1 gigabyte. Okay, so click on next. Click on I accept the terms in the license agreement and click on next. And this will be the location for Apache Netbeans IDE. Okay, so click on next. Even if you want to change, you have to click on browse and you have to select the path. Okay, click on next. If you want to check the updates, you have to keep the checkbox as it is, and I don't want, so uncheck it. Click on install. So this is the summary. So click on install. See, installation has been completed. So click on finish. Now go to start, then search for Apache. We have the Apache Netbeans IDE 21. Click on it. See here, if you want to try a sample project, you have to click on try a sample project. Okay, so we have to select, then click on next. Okay, this is the way, and go to my Netbeans, install plugins. See, it will populate the list of the plugins available. If you want to check for newest, you have to click on this one. If you want to search, you have to click on here and you have to provide, and these are the list of the installed plugins. Okay, see, suppose if you want to install this rainbow braces, you have to select it and you have to click on install. Okay, like this. Then download it. We don't have any. If you want, you have to click on this add plugins. Install. These are the list of the installed plugins. Suppose if you want to activate any one of them, so like Netbeans, you have to select it and you have to click on activate. See, both this Java SC and tools are already activated, because see here the green check boxes. Okay, so this is the way. If you want settings, you have to click on here settings, and if you want edit, you have to edit. Okay, close this one. Now create the project. Right click on here and click on new project. Then we have to select the categories and projects. Okay, I'm going with Java with Maven and Java application. Then click on next. Here provide the name R2 schools. This project name can be anything, but it should be meaningful to your work. Then click on finish. See, it has loaded this sample program. So I want to edit this output, which is going to print on the terminal. without saving. See, it automatically saves. Click on this run project. See, we got the output. Even if you want add one more line, I'm going to print sum of two numbers, 9 plus, then select all and click on execute. See, here we have the output in 2 lines. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Apache Netbeans IDE 21 on Windows 11 operating system. The process is same for all Windows operating systems. Then we have seen how to create a project and compile it. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.